123portuguese.com. Hello, welcome to 123portuguese.com. Here you will find useful information about European Portuguese language in 3 main steps. In the first step, you will learn about the subject. In step 2, you will find some examples, and in step 3, you can put in practice your knowledge through exercises. So, let's start! In today's lecture, we are going to talk about how to ask somebody's name in Portuguese. First of all, let's mention that we have a formal and an informal way to talk with people. If you are talking with somebody with your age, a relative, a friend of a friend, then you use the pronoun tu. If you are talking in a formal way to somebody older than you, with a higher hierarchy, for example your boss, or to somebody with whom you do not have enough confidence with, then you use the pronoun você, o senhor, or a senhora. So, when you want to ask somebody's name, you can do it also in a formal or informal way. Let's see. Como é que tu te chamas? Como é que tu te chamas? This is the informal way of asking somebody's name. You can also say it in a slightly shorter way. Como é que te chamas? If you ask como é que você se chama, or como é que o senhor se chama, or even como é que a senhora se chama, you are asking it in a formal way. In Portugal, we use mostly the last two, or also the shorter version. Como é que se chama? To answer this question, you just say eu chamo-me and then you tell your name. Let's see some examples. Olá, como é que te chamas? Eu chamo-me Luís. Let's see another example. Como é que a senhora se chama? Eu chamo-me Emília. Como é que o senhor se chama? Eu chamo-me Bernardo. And now, let's exercise. What formula do you use if you are asking the name to the person in the photo? And that was all for this lecture. If you want to learn more about how to ask somebody's name or other subjects, you can also have a look in the course Best Way to Learn Portuguese A1 Level for Beginners that I made for you. Adeus!